So we have Reggae Boys defender Damion Lowe. Firstly, Damion, you've played for Jamaica at the senior level for over 7 years now. Where does this stack up for you, this result?
I think it's up there. I think top two. I think the Mexico 1-0 in the Rose Bowl. Still the best moment, of my national team career. But this one is up there for sure, especially with all the talking and that's been going on from the Canadian team. But the guys showed a really big heart today, and that we really want to achieve things. So yeah, it's a good result, very good result.
And for you stepping into midfield, for you, did it feel comfortable being in that role?
Yeah, nothing too hard for me to think about because I've played there, I've experienced there. So I just try to analyze, the spots that I should be in, and just try to help the team as much as possible. I didn't really think about it at all. The coach gave me the instruction, basically no instruction. He just said, "Nana, you're playing centre mid." So I said, okay, and just went in and just gave my all.
Yeah, and for you to qualify for the Copa and also semi-finals, what does this mean to you as well and the unit?
It's big. As I said to the guys, it's no more almost. Every year, every 2 years, it's almost getting to the finals, almost getting to the semi-finals, almost qualifying for the World Cup. Now it's time to get it over the line, and we've achieved one goal for us to get into the Copa America. We're in the semi-finals for the Nations League, so I'm grateful.
Yeah, and finally, you've ticked off a lot of boxes, qualifying for Copa, Nations League. I'm sure to put the cherry on top for the end of the year is lift the MLS Cup. Yeah,
that's the focus right now. I'm going back into camp tomorrow to prepare for that, get some recovery done, and then on Saturday we have a big one, semi-finals against Cincinnati. So try to push and get that.